Hello guys, good evening all of you. I hope everybody doing fine. So in previous video we have discussed about the theory parts of the logical function, I mean logical operators, right? And or not, if and if or if not, we're discussing the theory parts, right? Okay. So we differentiate all. So logical function in Excel always return Boolean expression true and false by default. Okay. So we are going to check the condition here. Like if and tablet, you see logic. So if I take a logic like sim1 marks greater than equals to 50 and sim2 marks greater than equals to 50. I mean in both semester if you have 50-50 then you pass, otherwise you are fail. Enter. So you can say true. I will simply drag it. So here you can see who are below 50. Here you can see Sachin marks in sim2 below 50. So it's fail, I mean false. See who are the below 50? False. So rest of the two who greater than 50. Or what? Even greater than or less than both of anyone. So equals to or target by say symbol marks greater than or equals to 50 or symbol marks less than equals to 50. So who are the less than, they are also going to pass in this situation, right? Because or both of anyone. But in and is mandatory, right? So as you can see, same again you go for the equals to not. So not I told you reverse order. So if I say marks greater than equals to 50, so who are greater than equals to 50, they will fail. I mean false, you can see. And who below 50, they will pass. I mean true. You can see it's below 50. You can see here true. Greater than 50, false. Greater than 50, false. Right? So normal logical operator return the value true and false. Okay, by default. Boolean expression, true and false. But if interviewer say, no, I want to display my own masses, like as per the conditions, suppose you are checking person age, if person is greater than 18, so he can vote, else he cannot vote. There are various kinds of condition. So in that case, you are not able to use this one. It's a normal logical operator. In that case, you go for if and, if or, and if no. So I'm taking the same one. I just copy this and I paste it here. So if and, if or, if not, maybe the if and, if or, and if image. Okay, now I will remove this. So the equals to going to equals to if tab and tab. The object is, you can see we are able to take a multiple condition here. Okay, so if I say if marks greater than equals to 50, see condition going to be same, but we are able to put them as greater than equals to 50 or here also greater than equals to 50. Okay, comma. So say if value true, can write here like pass whatever you consider as for your data at the right value false. So we have to fill close enter. I can see simple target. You can see. Okay. The condition not matching in and so or same way equals to a for logic symbol marks greater than equals to 50 false to mark less than equals to 50. So pass, otherwise fail. Close the bracket, enter. So here, simple drag. Now again, for the not reverse order, equals to if not private logic disk same one marks greater than equal to 50, comma, pass, again value false, here second one, fail. Okay. So this will not work in reverse order means who pass going to fail, who fail they will going to pass. That is reverse opposite. So this is where you go for the if and if or if not. Okay, guys. So this is where you can simply going to use your logical operator. This is really very very important for checking the multiple condition. So you can save your time and resources as well. So once you go further, if and if or if not, so you can put your masses as well. But normal and or not logical function, you have to use the by default return true and false boolean expression only. Okay. But if you want to masses, so in that situation, go for if and if or and if not. This is good. Okay, guys. So I hope you like it. Thank you so much.